There were actually a couple of students, like this morning and at recess, that asked me, hey, aren't you on TV? And I'm like, yes, I was invited to be on the news a few times talking about autism awareness, acceptance and appreciation and inclusion. And so I was invited to be on ABC 7 Los Angeles 3 times and elsewhere across the world. I'm very appreciative to be able to spread that message that even though you have a disability does not mean that you're weird. It does not mean that you're a lost cause. You still have purpose just the way you are, and that you could still do whatever you set your heart and mind to do, disability or not, as long as it's practical. And I've been fighting for years to spread that message all across Orange County, including here in Newport Mesa Unified School District, and not just the public schools but also the private schools here in Costa Mesa, Newport Beach, like Mariners Christian and Cardin Hall and Harbor Day. I'm just waiting to be invited because these are volunteer assemblies, and I know that these have an impact because I receive the testimonials every time. In fact, tomorrow I'm going to be in Capistrano Unified School District at John Malcolm Elementary School, and I'll be doing 4 assemblies over there for all the students. I've already spoken to 12,000 students and counting, and again, I do anything to be in every single school in Orange County, including Costa Mesa, Newport Beach, public and private. I know I've said that for the last few teaching updates, and there was one video that I made literally asking for help from citizens in Costa Mesa, Newport Beach, and there's a PTA member at Newport L that saw that, and she reached out to me, and then she sent an email to all the PTA presidents across the Harbor Council PTA, which covers Newport Mesa Unified, and asking them to please consider or reconsider having me volunteer an assembly for the students. And again, I'm putting up these emails and messages that I got proving that I have made a difference to these students. If you're watching and you have connections with the PTA or principals here in Costa Mesa, Newport Beach, please let them know about me and that I'm willing to do this voluntarily at my expense. I've been trying for a few academic years and relied on word of mouth and spoke to PTA presidents, but for a few schools in these cities, it may take more people asking them if I could come and volunteer these assemblies. And prayerfully, they'll take my free offer seriously. And for those of you who actually help from my heart, I absolutely thank you, because this is going to help the next generation.